Hello everyone, you are welcome my YouTube channel Size of Electronics. Today I am going to review Taparia BS31. This is the Taparia BS31 screwdriver set. Here you can see this 10 bits. These are 10 bits and these are 10 bits. You can see total 30 bits and one screwdriver. You can see this is the screwdriver. This is the brand Taparia. The made in India company. I purchased this product from flipkart.in around 300 rupees. You can purchase this product on 250 to 350 rupees. Actually I am used this product around 1 year. Please check the video description for more information about this product. Here you can see this is the Taparia BS31 screwdriver set. It comes with a set of 31 pieces. It comes with Phillips bit, flat bits, Torx bit, tri-wing bits, square bit and hex bit. It comes with 2 years manufacturing warranty from the date of purchase. So if any bit make damage or if any bit breaks, then you can change this bit easily under warranty period. You can get 2 years warranty in India and you can get 1 year warranty outside of India. It is the made in India product, so it is best product under 300 rupees. If I going to measure one specific bit of this screwdriver set, the size of each bit is 2.5 centimeter and you can say 1 inch. If I measure the screwdriver, you can see this screwdriver size is 7.5 inch or 9 centimeter. It comes with a rubber coated handle, so there is no chance to slip your grip. This screwdriver set comes with high powerful magnet. Now I am going to unscrew a screw on my Western Digital hard disk, so I need T9 screwdriver bit. Here you can see this is the T9 bit and it looks like this. Here you can see this is my Western Digital hard disk and I am going to unscrew one specific screw on this hard disk. Here you can see the screw and now I am going to screw again. Here is a problem on this screwdriver set. This screwdriver set knots comes with so little bit, so you cannot open this type mobile. Here you can see this mobile screws are placed on the hole, so here is the chances that you cannot unscrew this type mobile. So it is the problems comes with this screwdriver set. This screwdriver bits comes with a high tempered steel iron, so it does not easily breaks. This is the screw of this wire module. Now I am going to screw on this wire module. To open a desktop DVD drive, you need to PH2 bit for open or unscrew of the DVD drive. Here you can see this is the PH2 screwdriver bit on this set. Now I am trying to unscrew this DVD drive screw by using this PH2 bit. There is another problem on this screwdriver set related. This screwdriver bit does not comes with any nickel coating or any ceramic coating. That rust comes rapidly on this screwdriver set. It would be great if this Taparia company get extra rupees 100 or 200 extra rupees for smaller bit. You can use this screwdriver set to open your laptop, desktop and other electronics device like home theater, tower speaker and others, this type of electronics device. And you can also repair your motorbike or your four-wheeler car. There is another little problem that you cannot open the UPS of any computer, desktop computer actually, because this screwdriver bit holder does not reach on the hole of this UPS. But the material of this screwdriver set is very wonderful under 300 or 350 rupees. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay happy, stay safe.